What's up everyone, this is Vince with MarvelousMarketing.online here with another video today on how to get music for your Instagram Reels. And I'm not just talking about the regular music, the boring kind of music. I'm talking about those trending sounds, the ones you want to use to help make your videos go viral, because we're all looking for the virality. We're all trying to make that happen. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. Even if you have just a business account or a personal account and you feel like you can't use them, I'm going to show you exactly how to get the right music. If that interests you in any kind of way, then keep on watching today's video. And before we hop into today's content, I want to make sure you already liked the video, make sure you already subscribed, and you hit the bell notification, a ding a ding a ding, so you're notified every single time I drop a video. Now let's get into it. So I don't know if you saw the announcement last week, but apparently the CEO went live on Instagram. They're going to really start pushing IGTV, Instagram Reels, and basically just video content. How do you jump on that? How do you take hold of this opportunity and really grow your brand? Well, you got to figure out how to use everything. And I know the biggest issue a lot of people are coming into is they can't get the right music for their Instagram Reels. They need to use it to blow up their business, but how are they going to do it? And I can't take credit for this. This actually came from one of my clients. He had this issue and him and I were trying to work it out, but he actually found the solution by himself, because everybody needs to know how to do this. And if you want to know who it was, it's Dr. Weston Spencer over in La Jolla. He's a cosmetic dentist. He showed me exactly how to do this. It's something that can really benefit everybody out there, so I'm gonna show you exactly how to do that. All right, I'm gonna hop into his, because on my account, I don't even have Instagram Reels on my Marvelous Marketing account, which is ridiculous, but I need to figure that out. So if you know how to solve that, let me know. But okay, I'm gonna hop into his account. All right, so I'm gonna go to his Reels, and usually what people usually do is they hit the button down here, and because somebody would replace the sound, you can save it. But let's go to one that he can't save, because it's really popular. Okay, this is one he can't. It's called Trampoline by Jaws Remix. Is that you hit the message button right here, and then you message it to yourself. So we're gonna look him up, because this is all him. And then I'm gonna hit send, and then I'm gonna go back to my messages. And what this allows me to do is I can pull it up right here, and then now I can save the audio, and the audio doesn't go away. I'll show you. Now when I wanna post a reel, oh, I can't do it to myself. I'm gonna have that audio in the save section, and it's not gonna go away. It's gonna stay right there. Because the issue I was finding is that I was able to save it myself, but then the moment I would exit out of Instagram and go back, it would disappear. But when you do it this way, it stays. So it's the perfect way to do it. It's the perfect way to help your videos go a little bit more viral here on Instagram. If you're not using Instagram Reels yet, what are you doing? You have to hop on it already. Everybody's using it, and like I said last week, the CEO announced that they're really pushing Instagram Reels. Let me show you an example. He has a 10.8 thousand viewed video, and it's so simple. It's like probably less than 7 seconds. And all it was a before and after video, which like blows my mind. It's cool that it has like an aha effect, you know, people are like, oh, what, that's crazy, look at that video. But it's done really well. And get more reach and bring more awareness to your business, to your brand, you need to hop on Instagram Reels now. You know, TikTok already is blowing up. It's always been blowing up here. So Instagram Reels is trying to compete, so you gotta jump on that trend. And I know if you had the same issue and you couldn't get the right music on, use this method. It'll help you use the trending sounds, and it'll help blow up your videos more. So today's video is short, but it's helpful to you. If it was, please make sure you share this with a friend that could use this. Make sure you like the video, subscribe. Oh, also I can't forget, if you're looking for help with Instagram, send me a message to my email. I'm gonna put it below in the description box. Send me a message there and I will help you out. I've helped out multiple people, multiple businesses with their accounts, helping them grow all over social media. So hit me up there, send me a message, and I will help you out. And don't forget, be marvelous.